Hey, it's a French student here, and today we're going to have a coding session with the focus on JavaFX and strings. So I will be creating a program with a GUI where I'll be able to have input from a text file. Just read the text file into some kind of text area. Then I will have a old keyword, which for example could be hello, which I would like to replace with a new keyword. And then when at the push of a button, I would like to replace the old word with the new word in our text area. So let's first of all, I would remove the preset window constraints, and I would then connect to my scene builder. So if you haven't got JavaFX running or connected to scene builder, there'll be a link down in the description for both. But first, I will have some text area, which will be where I'll be displaying the text. Then I will have a text field and a second text field. Let's just add some text to actually make it noticeable what I'm doing. And I will do like alt text. I'm gonna duplicate and go new. Maybe not text, maybe do a new word. An old word, the new word. And we would have a button. Let's replace. So just very simple program. Just save this, and right now I have nothing working, but I'll just showcase how it's gonna be working. So I'll be reading this text from this text file into my program in this text area. Then I'll be able to type hello, for example, and I would like to replace hello with my name Daniel. And then I could click replace, and it will be replaced inside this text area. So first of all, I would need to give my text area and text labels some kind of IDs so I actually can access them. So in the old word, we simply do old word, new word, text. Let's see the text area. We're just gonna call it text area. Very creative, I know. And on the replace button, we would just on mouse clicked call a replace method. So I would save, view, show sample control skeleton, copy all of the structure, and I would just paste it into my controller. And I would then need to import, so I'd go Alt Enter and just input JavaFX mouse event. So first of all, I would like to get my text hello world into my text area. So I would implement the interface initializable, which is an interface that allows us to call some kind of methods before the program starts, or when the window is done loading, it will call it initialize, and then we can do something. In this case, what we would like to do is actually get the text from our text file. So I would create a scanner. Scanner equals a new scanner, and we import the usual scanner. And we would like to just get a new file, and the location in this case is source, and it needs to be a string. Source, and then we have sample, and then we have hello world dot text. There we go. And because we're using some kind of files, it would like to add a try and a catch block. So inside our try block, we would simply do a while. while the scanner dot has, not the scanner object, not the scanner class, but the scanner object dot has a next line. And inside our while loop, we just like to do text area dot append text, and we would just get the text from the scanner dot next line, and then we would just add a new go to next line, and this would allow us to get the text from our text file. And here we go. So now we have loaded the text from the file. We would like to have something on the replace button mouse clicked. So now inside a replace mouse button, we would like to get the old word. So we just create a string and go old W, and that's equal to the old word dot get text. And similarly, we do string new word equals new word dot get text. And we just simply want to do use a very simple method inside a part of Java that's called replace. So we just create a new string, which is a replaced word string, which equals our text area dot get text dot replace the old word with the new word. And then we'll just like to do text area dot set text and set it to the replaced word string. So now when we run the program, let's try switching up with hello with Daniel and replace. And as you can see, before we had public class HelloWorld, and now Daniel world, Daniel, and so on. So that is a very simple program where we have some kind of input from the user. We read from a text file, and then we just simply use the replace method to replace the old word with the new word. So hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I hope you all have a wonderful day.